Is it wrong to punish prisoners? Well, come on. Isn't it wrong not to punish them? I mean, these people know the difference between right and wrong. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Shylock in The Merchant of Venice took a pound of flesh from Antonio, and rightly so, because all successful societies are predicated on the key concepts of justice and responsibility. But wait, before we plug in the electric chair, let's consider some of the latest neuroscience knowledge on the brains of psychopaths. Now, when we make a moral decision, a key brain area called the amygdala lights up. But in psychopaths, this light to conscience and responsible behavior has long since gone out. Now, these psychopaths did not ask to be born with a broken amygdala. So, what's a good juror to do when faced with a criminal with a broken brain? Isn't it immoral of us to punish criminals as much as we do? Freedom of will is not as free as you may think, and for some people, the die are cast early in life. Can we, in good conscience, punish them as much as we do? But you'll be thinking to yourself, at what price justice? Isn't this an argument, a slippery slope to hell, to an irresponsible society, to eventually Armageddon? Mayhap. But before continuing down that path, consider the point of Portia again in The Merchant of Venice when she defended Antonio. In her words, "So, good citizens of Locust Walk, though justice be thy plea, consider this, that in the course of justice none of us here shall see salvation. We do pray for mercy, but that same prayer ought to render us all to the deeds of mercy. So before your little finger starts fiddling on that switch to the electric chair, consider one other behavioral response. Turn the other cheek. For in the name of neurocriminology, it's wrong to punish prisoners." Thank you.